got an email from a local church musician saying that there was a piano in City Center that needed to be put to good use. So I thought I would reach out to these men and see if they were interested in donating to the Fine Arts Department in Wicomico Public Schools. And they generously agreed to donate the piano. We have many needs for pianos in each of our schools, but especially on the stage of Y-High, we do a lot of work with choral festivals and band festivals here, and a lot of people come here to perform on the stage, and we do need a good working piano. This is a digital piano, and we have an acoustic in the back, and the acoustic is very difficult to keep in tune.
We were donating piano in a project where we were restoring a building in downtown Salisbury, and I think that this is a much better use for the piano than sitting in a building in the middle of a lobby, so we're pretty excited to put it to great use.
Hi, I'm Gia Bautista. I'm a senior at Wicomico High School. I play the piano, and today we'll be performing an excerpt of a Chopin ballade in A-flat major. I've been playing the piano for about 9 years now. Next year, I hope to pursue studies in music and also biology.
All right.
Thank you.
That was really good.
It sounds awesome, especially in the skilled hands that it was played with, of course. But yeah, it's lovely. And the fact that you guys have gotten it all tuned up, it's definitely the best I've ever heard of. It's far too nice a piece to just be sitting there as a decoration. So we're glad that you guys were able to find a good use for it.
We'll use it for Choral Festival, which is on Friday. One of our students is a great jazz player, and he plays it in the lobby and off stage sometimes. It will be used for the musical Mamma Mia, which is going to be produced here at the end of April. We will also use it when we do VPA recitals, solo recitals. If we do it on the stage and close the stage curtains and have the students perform up on the stage with the audience right behind them, we'll use this piano for that. So we're hoping to use it in many different areas. We also know that it is portable. So if we do need it at another one of our larger stages, one of our high schools at Mardella, Bennett, or Parkside, we can move it there if they have those needs.